In this problem, we are asked to fill in the blank. In all isosceles triangles, the exterior angle of a base angle must always be. Let's go ahead and draw an isosceles triangle. And we'll extend the side to go ahead and create the exterior angle. We know it's isosceles, so let's mark these two segments congruent. And let's go ahead and mark our base angles congruent. And this would be the exterior angle that we are trying to determine if it needs to be acute, right, obtuse, or equal to the vertex angle. Let's start with our first choice of a right angle. Let's say this was 90 degrees. That means that this adjacent base angle would have to be 90 degrees, which this congruent base angle would have to be 90 degrees. We're already at 180 degrees for our triangle, so this is not possible because we don't have any degrees left over for our vertex angle. So it cannot be a right angle. Okay, let's take a look at acute angle. That's our next choice. So let's say that this exterior angle was 30 degrees. If that was 30 degrees, the adjacent angle, which is the base angle, would have to be 150 degrees. If that angle is 150, this angle is 150, and I already have 300 degrees in my triangle. This is not possible. So this exterior angle cannot be acute. Let's try our next choice, obtuse angle. So if this is an obtuse angle, let's say it's 100 degrees, that would make this adjacent base angle equal to 80 degrees, which my congruent base angle would be 80 degrees. And that leaves enough for my vertex angle. So it looks like this exterior angle as obtuse seems to work. Let's just go ahead and check our last choice of equal to the vertex angle. All right, let's say that this is 100 degrees for our exterior angle, and it has to be equal to the vertex angle for this choice. So we'll do 100 degrees up there. That leaves 80 degrees, so this would have to be 40, and this would have to be 40 based off of my triangle angle sum theorem. But that's a problem because I only have 140 degrees in this line. So that is not possible. Well, what if this exterior angle was acute and equal to the vertex angle? Let's just try that. So let's say this is 30. That makes the vertex angle 30 based off this answer choice. So 180 minus the 30 and then divide that by 2 is 75 for each of my base angles. That seems fine. But then once again, I look right here at this line and I don't have 180 degrees in the line. So this does not work. The only option that works for this base angle and exterior angle is to have the exterior angle an obtuse measure.